Imagine waking up to the pure, natural taste of freshly prepared juice, full of fresh, delicious flavors and packed with all the goodness nature has to offer, all thanks to the Panasonic Juicer. This juicer has a super sharp cutter that squeezes out every drop from your fruits and vegetables, leaving you with tasty juice and no annoying pulp chugs. Even if you have a big family or love hosting friends, no worries. It comes with a big 2-liter container for pulp, so you can make plenty of juice without stopping to empty it again and again. Now, whether you're in the mood for a soft fruit smoothie or a crunchy carrot juice, this juicer adapts with 2 speed settings: lower speed for gentle fruits like oranges and higher speed for tough ones like apples. And if you hate chopping your fruits, the wide 75mm feeding tube lets you put in whole fruits or vegetables without any problem, saving you time and effort. With this juice mixer, messy spills are history. Its smart anti-drip spout keeps your counter clean by stopping leftover drops from dripping after you pour. Cleaning up after juicing is easy peasy. Most parts can go right into the dishwasher, and there's a handy brush included for any tough spots. You should know that this juicer won't start unless it's properly locked together. That's for safety protection. And it's got built-in protection to keep it safe from overheating, so you can juice worry-free. With its sleek and modern design, it looks great sitting right on your kitchen counter, ready whenever you are. Don't underestimate the power. Its 1,000-watt motor is ready to handle any fruit or vegetable you throw at it, turning them into fresh juice in no time.
If you love watching this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you can be the first to get notified when a new video drops.